Six-sided mosaic. So we have six-sided mosaic here. Contains 24 triangular pieces. So we have 24 triangular pieces like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and the double of that because this is just half. In half we have 12 triangles. So it has 24 triangular pieces as shown in the figure. If the sections of the tile fit together perfectly, how many square centimeters of tile are in the mosaic? How many square centimeter? The square centimeter is the unit of area, so the question is only about finding out the area of the regular 24 triangular pieces or the area of a hexagon. Now, it is a six-sided figure which has the same shape, the same size everywhere, and when the shape is same and the size is same in case of hexagon, we can find out the exterior angle. The exterior angle is calculated by dividing 360 by the number of sides, which is equal to 6 in this case. So each exterior angle is 60 degrees, each interior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Now the exterior angle is this angle 60 degrees, so this angle is equal to 120 degrees. Now if you look at the triangle that I want you to look at, let me just draw a few lines. So I am drawing all the longest diagonals here. Now, if we see these triangles, that means the triangle represented by the blue lines. You should understand that this angle is half of the interior angle, which is 60 degrees. This angle is also half of the interior angle, which is 60 degrees. Therefore, this angle is also equal to 60 degrees. And we have 6 such triangles available in this six-sided figure, 4, 5 and 6, which means the area of a hexagon, regular hexagon, is given by 6 times area of equilateral triangle, and each equilateral triangle has area equal to root 3 by 4 of side square. So if you could find side of any one of these bigger triangles, the blue triangles, then we can find out the answer, or because the side of this bigger blue triangle is equal to twice the side of this small triangle, so any one information will give us the answer. Now let's check the first statement, which says that each side of the triangular piece of tile is 9 centimeter long. And if this is 9, then this will also be 9. That means the side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 9 into 2, which is equal to 18. So now we can find out the area of this hexagon, which is equal to 6 times root 3 by 4 of 18 square. So now we have to just simplify this, 9, 9. So we can do the calculation, but we should simply say that this statement alone is sufficient to answer the question, and the answer is between option A and D. However, for sake of clarity, I am just simply multiplying them. 81 multiplied by 6 times root 3, which becomes equal to 486 root 3. Therefore, it is sufficient. Now, let's come to the second statement. The second statement says that the mosaic can be put inside a rectangular frame that is 40 centimeters wide. So, the 40 centimeter wide rectangles can be drawn in many ways. For example, this rectangle is a 40 centimeter wide figure, and similarly I am going to draw another, which is this. This also is a 40 centimeter wide. We can draw even more such figures, rectangles, which have 40 centimeter width. So we understand that this hexagon can be put inside each one of them as long as the length of the hexagon is greater than or equal to twice the width of this regular hexagon, twice the length of this regular hexagon. So by that I mean that a hexagon, if we have a hexagon which is somewhat like this, then this hexagon can be put into each one of these rectangles, and these rectangles have different lengths, which means using them we cannot find out the height or the length of the side. In fact, if the width is 40 and its width is less than 40, because then every hexagon can be put inside this rectangle, so we do not have the exact value of the side of the hexagon, and for that reason we say that the second statement alone is not sufficient because it does not lead us to the unique length of side. If this statement had mentioned that the hexagon fits exactly into a rectangle of width 40 centimeters, then the statement would have been sufficient, because then it were the case of perfectly fitting. But here the question does not mention anything like that, so we say that the second statement is not sufficient, and therefore the final answer to the question becomes option A, because statement 1 alone is sufficient but statement 2 alone is not sufficient. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.